Hi, I'm Charlotte Daly. I'm going to be removing the heatsink and the processor from my motherboard and discussing some of the facts about how to cool it down and about the CPU. So you just lift this out. Paying for this. And this processor is an Intel Pentium 4 630, which was released in 2005 along with a line of Pentiums. And they featured something called speed step technology that was only used in mobile Intel until that time. And speed step was used to reduce the processor's power consumption by running the CPU at a lower frequency. The Intel 4 630 was the slowest from the series with 3 gigahertz clock frequency. It was 20% slower than all the other ones in the line in some applications. While computers are running, the CPUs can get pretty hot, which if it's not controlled, it can lead to overheating and damage. So there's some ways we use to cool processors. This is being one, a heatsink, which transfers the heat from the CPU and removes it through making it go through a series of fins, which is flowing it away from the heat source, which is the CPU. And an air pipe cooler works the same as a heatsink, but heat pipes have a hot thermal liquid in it that is picked up at the base of the cooler and moved up to the tip of the tips of the pipes where the cooling fins are. So that's that CPU and how to cool your motherboard down.